Ivin. Ivin helps every student to excel in performance at board and competitive level. Several students have qualified in JEE and NEET after using Ivin. Ivin is an easy access portal with the simple usage management available in the both web and Android applications. When you log in into the Ivin web portal, you can see the web main page through which you can navigate the entire information about Ivin. On the same main page, you can find the login column. The login ID and the password will be provided by our development team upon receiving the student's credentials and details. So, let us see the student portal. Now let us enter into the student portal. To navigate through the student portal, we have to log in using the username and the password provided by the development team. Once you enter the student portal, you will see the student's dashboard for performing the actions. In the main page of the student portal, you can also view the current status of the student, the latest reports for the 5 previous tests performed, and the analysis of all the weak areas for the student. So let us navigate through the entire student portal. The first section is the material section. In the material section, we will be providing chapter-wise synopsis for each subject in the PDF version. We are also providing the facility to take the chapter-wise test for all subjects. Let us see it with an example. I am selecting physics subject and you can see all the chapters listed in that subject. Click on one chapter to see the PDF format of the synopsis, and you can also take the test in that respective chapter, choosing the level of our difficulty. The next section is the Ivin test section in the portal. In this section, the student can take multiple tests in various formats. The first one will be the mock test. The mock test will be conducted for the entire syllabus in the JEE Mains, JEE Advanced or NEET patterns with all the conditions, rules including the timing and the negative marking being made applicable. The subject test area is where the student can check his expertise in one particular subject for the entire syllabus at different levels. In the chapter test section, the student will perform the test at an individual chapter level, same as he will perform in the material section at various levels of difficulty. Perfection at topic level for multiple chapters can be attained by taking a test at the topic level at all levels of difficulty. This is provided in the topic test section. The available materials and the synopsis can also be accessed from the Ivin test section also. The third section is the assignments. Customized assignment designed by their respective teachers are provided to students, and these assignments can be accessed by the students to solve. The notification for the assignment can be provided to the student via the registered email account. Let us see a sample assignment here. The next section is the test taken section. In this section, complete history of all the tests attempted by the student is available, which enables him to assess his performance through each of his individual test reports, which are also provided via the link. When we navigate through the reports column, you can find that in various categories like Ivin Toppers Report, Mock Test Progress Report, Latest Mock Test Report, Latest Subject-Wise Report. The Ivin Toppers Report provides the score percentile and comparative analysis of all the students of one section, batch, or a class in an institute and the current student standing position. It will also provide a list of all the weak areas that the student has to focus on so that he can reach the top position. Mock test reports column provides the student with a comparative analysis of each and every mock test attempted by him or her. Latest mock test column provides reports for the latest mock test, the last three, and their respective comparisons. In the subject test performance report, the performance of a student in each and every subject will be provided by selecting the respective subject column. Chapter-wise analysis of the selected subject can also be given in the subject test performance. Another unique aspect of Ivin is the chapter-wise weak areas reports. In this, chapter-wise, subject-wise weak areas of a particular student will be given to the concerned teacher. The details of the teacher to whom the report has been furnished will also be displayed. The remedial action taken by the teacher to improve the performance of the student and the feedback of the student will also be included in this section. The last and the most important is ask the question. In this section, the student can directly ask and verify his or her doubt in any topic of any chapter in any subject to their concerned teachers. Thank you.